Hiking day. Gonna go to the, what's it called?
Emerald Pools.
Emerald Pools.
That's to be confused with Emerald Bay.
Yes, that's Tahoe. This is not Tahoe. We're going through California. It's raining, so it's gonna be a little wet of a hike, possibly, but I don't know. We found it, found the river, but it's raining a little hard. Ooh, cool. I don't know if this is really very good hiking weather. What do you think, honey? Time to go hiking?
Yeah.
It's a little rainy. In fact, it's very rainy, but there was a slight lull. Ooh, this is a little cliff right here. I think there used to be a bridge here. That's my guess. Whoa, there's the Yuba River. There's a mist. Wow, look at her tie that shoe. Carolyn discovered an interesting thing here.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of hail. What? That's weird. Oh my gosh. That's not snow, that's hail. That's so weird. Whoa!
Honey, you're gonna get struck by lightning. Maybe we should go down.
Where's the lightning? Right over there? Right next to you? Found it! Put your hood on to protect you. I think we made it to the pool. I don't know. It's more like a rushing river, so. Wow, it's pretty cool. Still might be nice enough for me to take a quick dip. Oh, the mist. The misty mountains. About to get zapped by some lightning. Yeah, we're heading back now. There's a lot of thunder and lightning. I figure it can't be a good idea to be next to a river during that, so. I'm out here looking for the cliff jumping site. Here, I'm gonna get that for you. I think I found it. This might be a bad time to be out here. Good time for Cliff Bar. Crack-a-lackin'. This is very wet. Nope. I think I'm good. I think that's enough thunder to say it's a bad idea. Ah, it's hailing. Oh no, it's not good. Oh my gosh.
Hashtag van life.
Hashtag hail life. Welcome to historic Truckee. Truckee. We made it back to the Emerald Pools for the second time. Came down that right there. It was alright though. Now we're heading to the next, the actual pools. Gonna hike up that cliff right there. Scouted out up the river a little bit. It's kind of cool, but I think this spot over here is the coolest, so we're heading back. Gonna hop in the river. Dive in. You might not want your sunglasses though in your hat. Oh. All right, I'm not totally on the like the very bottom, but it's not like freezing cold. I'm sorry, fish. Excuse me. Okay, get in. Just jump in. Just get in. Climber. Yeah, look at that rock climber. You just free dived the emerald pools. Oh my gosh, I can't keep this thing steady. It's super cool. I just wish, ooh, that's a good idea. I wish I wasn't shaking. Carolyn, how do you warm up after swimming in the pools?
Find a high rock.
Yes. You lay on a hot rock. Whoa. Yeah, we had a nice little adventure today. Yes. We almost died getting to the first place, but it was cool. We found a waterfall. We got to do a teeny bit of free diving, if you could really call it that. But it was fun.